Hello minasan konnichiwa, this is Trilingual Japanese Sensei. In this video, we are going to see about question words used in Japanese. Yes, let's look into some of the question words used in Japanese. What, which, why, how, when, where, what kind, who, how much, how old. There are several patterns used in Japanese to represent each of the type. Let us see one by one. The first word, nan or nani. Nan or nani means what in English. The second one, dore. Dore means which. The third one, naze or doshite. Naze or doshite both means as why. The next one, do or doyatte. Do or doyatte means how. The next word, itsu. Itsu means when. Yes, it is a question word related to time. Let's see the next word. Doko or dochira. Doko or dochira both means where, whereas doko means a casual way, dochira means a formal representation. So please use this wisely depending upon the situation and the person to whom you are talking with. The next one, donna. Donna means what kind. The next one, dare or donata. In here, dare is a casual form, donata is a formal way. But both are meaning who. Let's go to the next example. The next word is ikura. Ikura means how much. The last one, oikutsu. Oikutsu means how old. I believe this video is informative and helpful for the beginners. Please subscribe to Trilingual Japanese Sensei channel and enable the bell icon to get the regular updates. Please reach out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Happy learning. Mite kurete arigatou.